Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make toasted corn mutton sandwiches on the stovetop. So let's get started.
I've got here 4 slices of bread, some salt to taste, 3 cloves of grated garlic, 1 can of corned mutton with the top removed, 1 medium onion chopped, some oil for cooking and some butter. The first thing you need to do is get rid of excess fat. Place your corned mutton on low heat and heat it. You will also need to line a plate with some foil to collect the fat as it melts. Use a spoon to scoop the fat as it melts and put it on the foil. Once most of the fat is removed, fold the foil containing the fat and throw it away in the bin. And take the corned mutton out in a dish and put it aside. Take a pot, put it on medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil, turn the pot around to coat the base of the pot and heat it for 30 seconds. Add garlic and onions. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions are translucent. Add corned mutton and a small pinch of salt. Mix it well, put a lid on and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, give it a mix, turn the heat off and take it out in a dish. Butter the bread on one side only and place the bread with the butter side facing each other. Put some corned mutton evenly on the top. The amount will depend on how thick or thin you want your toasted sandwiches to be. To make the toasted sandwiches, place a non-stick fry pan on medium heat. Carefully place one bread with the corned mutton with the butter side facing down and put another bread on top with the butter side facing up and cook it for 2 minutes, pressing it lightly with an egg lifter. After 2 minutes, flip it over and cook it for 1 minute or until the bottom gets a nice golden brown color. Take it out on a chopping board and repeat this with the remaining sandwiches. Cut each toasted sandwich into a triangle and serve it hot. My toasted corned mutton sandwiches are ready. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.